One of the most common injectable procedures is Botox and Dysport. Botox and Dysport are the same thing, different manufacturers, and I use them both every single day. One of the chief complaints is the 11s, the frowning lines, the horizontal lines in the forehead, and then the crow's feet from smiling. These lines are caused by dynamic muscle movement, and what that means is over time, all the years of all the frowning and raising the brows and all the squinting, that muscle movement causes lines and wrinkles to form in the skin. Although lasers and topicals and other treatments are wonderful for your skin, until we treat the underlying cause of those wrinkles, which is the muscle, we will not be able to completely reduce or erase these lines. So what we do is we use a little bit of Botox or Dysport and we treat directly into the muscle underneath those lines. That muscle then becomes nice and relaxed, and over time, those lines will just fade right away. One of the things I love about Botox and Dysport, it's a very universal treatment. It's great for young women, older women, and all skin types. As a preventative, younger women will not need quite as much as they're using just little bits to kind of prevent those lines from even forming. And then older women may need a little bit more upfront because we're trying to kind of turn back time and erase those lines. It's never too late to start getting Botox, and it's also not too early. Any little bit of prevention that you can do for your skin is great. Botox and Dysport, they do have a temporary effect. They last about 3 to 4 months on the average patient. The first time or two that you get your Botox or Dysport, you will find that your muscle is very strong, and so you need a little bit more, and you may need to come in a little bit more often. But over time, you'll find that the muscles stay nice and relaxed, and you'll find your treatments start to last a little bit longer, and you can even use less of the product. So in that way, it gets easier to maintain. So it's a really quick visit. It's typically a lunchtime visit for most patients. Your injection takes about 5 to 10 minutes tops. Afterwards, you can return right back to work. You can apply makeup. The only post-care instruction is just to be careful not to rub too hard on that area. Do not lay on your face. We just don't want you kind of smashing on that muscle for the next 4 to 6 hours. You are able to see results over the next couple of days. However, it takes 2 weeks for the Botox or Dysport to take full effect. So at that time, if it's your first visit, we'll typically have you in for a quick check and we'll make sure everything looks perfect for you. My name is Racquel, and thank you so much for watching.